The next time you need to unstick, untangle, soften, shine, depilate, or de-squeak something, try baby oil. The lightly scented mineral oil is good for dozens of applications that have nothing to do with babies. In fact, having baby oil on hand can spare you from needing to buy an array of single-purpose products, from shave gel to paper shredder oil, that are generally more expensive. Following are more than 2 dozen uses for baby oil that could save you money. 1. Bath oil. I've poured into it the tub to soften my winter weary skin. Note, you must use some cleanser on the tub afterwards, or the oily residue could cause the next batter to slip and fall. 2. Moisturizer. Don't feel like scrubbing an oily tub after every time you bath to get the baby oil benefits. Towel dry yourself a little after your bath, and then smooth a little baby oil on your still damp skin to lock into moisture. 3. Shave gel substitute. Use a thin layer of baby oil on your legs instead of shave cream or gel. Waxing aid. If you're waxing brows, legs, or other parts of your body, use a little baby oil afterward to remove any lingering wax. 5. Eye makeup remover. A cotton ball damp with baby oil takes care of eyeshadow, eyeliner, without irritating skin. Temporary tattoo remover. Junior come home from a birthday party feasted with garish superhero tats. Rub them up with a little baby oil. Nail polish frame. Use a cotton swab to saturate your cuticle perimeters with baby oil before painting your nails. This prevents nail polish from seeping into your cuticles. Cuticle oil. There's a product called Cuticle Oil, but she never buys it. She uses baby oil on her hands when she gives herself a manicure. Lip scrub. Munda also makes a lip scrub by mixing 1 teaspoon of baby oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and a few drops of lemon juice. Every night before bed, she rubs it lightly on her lips to remove dead skin. Zipper fixer. Zipper stock. Apply baby oil with a cotton ball or swab until the zip returns to a zipper. Leather oil. Rub a little baby oil onto leather shoes or bags to keep them from looking dry. Bubble gum remover. Kids end up with gum on their skin or in their hair. Rub a small amount of oil into the mess to soften it, and then gradually work it out with a comb. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.